Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In our previous video, we told you guys that we received another parcel from Beebeecraft for collaboration. And in this video, we're going to use 4 out of the 7 products that we received from them and made a bracelet. The first step of making a bracelet is to use elastic thread and measure it up until 24 inches. So the 4 products that we're going to use for this bracelet is 1. A white glass pearl bead size 8mm, 2. Green glass pony beads 4mm, 3. Bicon bead 6mm, and lastly plastic pastel bead set star shaped bead was used size 9mm. So the steps are as following. Put a white glass bead in the elastic thread and then fold it in half so it'll be 12 inches. Then take a small piece of tape and tape the bead onto the table so it doesn't move. Now put green glass pony bead onto both sides of the thread and then put a green bicon bead on both sides as well. Now use 1 pastel star shaped bead and insert both ends of the thread into the opening of the bead. Now we will add a glass pearl bead. First insert it only through one bead. Now take the other end of the thread and insert it in as well, and then pull on both sides so the pearl goes all the way to the star shaped bead. Repeat this procedure until it's the size of your wrist. We've already shown you the item codes in the slide before, but we will also add it in the description below. If you would like to purchase the items, then go to their website called www.beebeecraft.com. They have a lot of varieties of beads, so go check it out if you are interested. And if you would like to collaborate with them or avail their YouTube program and get free products, all you have to do is have 100 subscribers on your YouTube channel so you can make videos of your collaboration and get free products. Now that the bracelet is ready, just make the final knot and you can see it's completed. It looks great. If you would like to make an order, you can use the following coupon code. Our coupon code is Familia20 with capital F, and you can save 10% of the whole order. It's valid until 2026, 25th of November. Hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye.